Hello, if you start playing tennis to really play good level and if you are eager to put in some work and dedicate a few hours, a few lessons, a few months, or who knows, a few years, this video is for you. I'm going to help you understand why my Forehand course or my Forehand program works, why it should be the right program for you, and also the most or the majority of the mistakes you do and how you can avoid them by using this program or by watching my videos. So basically, when you start to play tennis, forehand is always the shot that you start and is the shot that will make the difference as a beginner, because if you are a beginner, you really need one shot that makes the difference, and we all start here. No one starts play tennis and go and practice backhand before the forehand. So the forehand is the first thing, the most important thing, and also as a beginner is the number one shot, because beginners don't have too much power on the serve, and the forehand you can really develop quick this shot and make the difference on your game. Even if you do underarm serve, you can win many tournaments just by using the forehand. What happens is when you start, and that's why I created my course, because I teach for maybe 13-14 years and all the doubts are the same. Every player has the same challenges, and I always try to explain. I have success in 100% of my students, and that's why I create this, to help you, to help those who are not able to be on the court with me, to succeed faster, because actually this is really fast. Usually I start with footwork and I teach footwork and technique at the same time, because the majority of you start playing tennis with continental grip, and that's why paddle is so easy, because you just do this and the ball goes to the other side. You have some fun, you can enjoy a little bit in the beginning, but after a few months you understand, okay, I cannot get better, I cannot increase my pace, I cannot play faster, I cannot open angles, I cannot hit topspin, and this requires more work, more dedication, is more frustrating for you because you're gonna miss way more, and most of you are not able to go through the mistakes and learn from mistakes. That's what actually makes the difference, and also that's why I created this course. And when I mention exactly what you're gonna miss in each step of the program, because I already know what happens when you do this program, what happens when you do each part of or step of the program. So to help you with this, I already know what you're gonna miss, what you can do to avoid that mistakes, and more important, what you should focus from the beginning. And I can show you here on my right side a little bit of the structure of my course, because once you start to play tennis, the most important thing that you need to focus is the grip. And I don't see many coaches or players around the world in any country doing this first. Usually you start here, you never talk about the grip, but if you use the right grip, you understand that actually it's super easy to play forehands, it's super easy to play with topspin, and small details that will make all the difference. So basically, for you to understand a little bit, my course starts, of course, with the footwork, talking about the grip, and then I fix your non-dominant hand, then I fix your contact point, then I also teach how you can play and how you should play in the beginning with your legs. So you need always to be sideways. So the first part of the course I always teach in closed stance, and then the second part I teach more the open stance drills to improve your open stance alone. The course is designed for you to do it alone, no coach, no partner needed. Also, I talk about the mindset and how you can generate more topspin, more drills for this, because you need to accept that once you do this grip, and in my Portuguese channel, some of you are asking, once I start doing this grip, or you're gonna miss way more, you're gonna lose confidence. And I can say with 100% certain that if you do this, and if you trust in me and in yourself, you will do it 100% guaranteed, because this requires a few works. And if you just listen to my feedbacks, just focus on this, don't try to skip, just get better on that step, and you can't skip the step until you do it right. And basically you need to overcome, basically when you start, the mistakes that the first one, sorry, the first one is that you miss completely out or completely to the net. And this, as I mentioned in many videos, you miss to the net because you don't do enough power. And of course the speed is not the priority as a beginner. You need to understand that the priority is just to be consistent, is to play the ball consistently to the other side, do 50, 100, 200, 300 balls over the net. The second is to control balls, so you define some areas and you try to control for that areas. The third is the top spin, and then the last is speed. So speed not being the first thing that you need to worry, at least you need to do a little bit of speed to overcome the net, otherwise the ball goes to the net. Why? Because if you use continental grip with less speed, and also because the head of the racket is open, the ball is already in. while here you're gonna generate topspin, and the topspin cuts the speed, so the balls are way slower. You need to introduce a little bit, you need to start using legs, you need to understand that the power comes from the legs, and this is a little bit of the structure of my course. I never say, okay, this is the course, you can just do it. I mean, you can just do it and it will work. You can watch my videos, try to understand a little bit of here and there, and also you will improve. The advantage of the course is that it's a step by step. I put it in order, the focus and the priorities in each part of your journey. This for me is the most important thing of the course. Instead of watching here 1,000 videos, I think I have 1,100 videos, and try to figure out alone what it works. Also, this for me is the most important and the most valuable, and that's why I focus so much on this course. And if you already bought, you can write here from where you bought and how this helps, instead of sending me just the feedback. I don't think maybe you are watching because you already bought and you already did, but if you are watching because you like to watch these videos, you can comment here how this works. And if you are buying right now, you can also buy and write here from where you bought. I will see also in the app, but just to say that we reach over 40 countries already with my digital product. So I'm really happy that you are trusting in these programs, in my book as well. So thanks for that. And I think, I don't know what exactly you want to know more about this course, because some of you DM me on Instagram especially, and that's why I'm creating this video, because you always ask, is this for me? Is this for who is this course? I describe that in the description of the in the landing page of my course. But basically this is not only for beginners. If you play like for 4, 5, 6 years and your forehand is still not good, you still need to do this. You still need to start from zero. You still need to do all the basic footwork, all the boring work. You still need to care about the grip, the way you hold the racket. So I really believe this course is valuable for 99 or 99.9% of tennis players in the world, because even if you play good, you can play better. And the best way to create new pattern, to change your pattern, is to create a new one. And this course is really, it's just that. If you follow that, you'll have a good forehand, and that's it. I think it's really, really simple. So if you're really interested, just let me know from where you bought. Write here your feedback, or if you buy with this after watching this video, come here, come back and comment how this helps you, and you can actually, or you can maybe say your feedback and another people will watch and maybe want to start just because you also give the feedback on that. So thanks for watching. If you have any more doubts about this course, let me know. I'll try to add here on my right side some sections of the course. Of course, I'll not turn on the video, but I think you can have an idea. The structure is there, is all you need. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.